guys, Rob here, your personal cybersecurity strategist, bringing you the best tips and tools to protect yourself in this hyper-connected world. On this channel, we talk about cybersecurity strategies just like this one, as well as tech gear reviews. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates. Thank you for those who have supported me over the past year. I truly appreciate it. Today, we are talking about social engineering attacks. So, social engineering is a broad term used to cover a range of malicious activities that take into account human interaction. It uses psychological manipulation towards its victims to make security mistakes as well as give out any sensitive information. So the process is as follows. The perpetrator first investigates the victim over a period of time to look at patterns. These can be potential points of entry or any weak security protocols. And then they move on to establish some form of trust with that particular victim. This can be through a relationship, which could be business or otherwise. And once that relationship has been established, and then the perpetrator then digs as much or collects as much information from the victim as possible. They establish a foothold over a period of time. Lastly, the perpetrator then disengages from this relationship, deletes or covers their tracks by deleting all malicious software they've installed on the system, all this trying to avoid any suspicion. Remember, the human component is the weakest link in any security framework. Thank you guys for watching. Check you in my next one.